I'm going to be showing you how to link your Apple ID to the Apple Store. So all you need to do is sign in to your Apple account within the Apple Store on your device. Just go ahead and open your App Store first. So as you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And now all you need to do is look at the top right where you can see your profile, or if you've not signed in, you can see an option there. Just tap here and you should find the sign in option. So if you don't have an Apple account, then you may need to create one first. But if you already have one, just launch the App Store application on your device and just sign in if you're not already signed in at the top of the search button right there. So it's really easy to sign in. All you need to do is enter your credentials, just type in your Apple ID, your email or your phone number and password, and just follow the on-screen instructions. So this way the Apple Store will guide you through any additional steps, such as setting up two-factor authentication if it's not already enabled. So there you go. That's how you link your Apple ID to the App Store. It's really easy. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.